Hey Glam fam, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys get notified anytime I post something new. So for today's video, it is October, it is fall, so I did something for fall and the month of October. So if you guys want to see what I use for this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so for today's look, we're going to use the Naked Ultimate Basics palette, which is my favorite palette to use for fall because of the nudes and neutrals and it's just a bunch of fall colors. So I wasn't sure if you can actually see the colors, but if you have it, you know what I'm talking about. So we are going to go in with, I'm using an Anastasia brush. I don't know what it is. It just came in one of my Anastasia palettes, so I'm using the fluffier side, not the more dense side. And I'm gonna pick up Extra Bitter, and we're gonna apply that to our outer corner, kind of packing it on in our outer corner, and then blending it out towards the center. Not bringing it too far in though, because I don't want to put it too far in the inner corner. But so I'm packing it on here and then blending that out. So we're stopping about halfway and then lightly blending that, leaving the inner corner empty. Picking up a Morphe M433, I'm gonna go in with Lockout and Lethal and pack that on just my outer corner. Okay, now using a Morphe M441, I'm gonna go in with, I think it's either Bible or Calabasas from the Kylie and Kourt blue palette here. This shade here. And I'm going to blend out everything up top. Again, using lighter pressure. And just blending away those edges. Okay, going in with Kitten Karma from the Stila Cosmetics. I'm going to apply that on top of a brush, a Morphe M224, and then pack that on to my lid. then I'm just gonna keep applying until I get my desired shimmer from this. Okay, now using the more dense side, I'm gonna go back in with Extra Bitter, that burnt orange shade, and then just tack it onto the edge. Okay, so I was gonna go in with liquid liner, but I changed my mind because I don't want to take away too much from the glitter we have. So I'm gonna use an angled detailing brush, and I'm going to apply that to my lash line, kind of packing it on. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara and lashes off camera, and I will be right back. And I'm back. So, I sound like a talk show host, and we're back. Anyway, okay, so for my foundation, I am gonna go ahead and use shade 104 and 103 from the L'Oreal Infallible, and just apply a light layer all over my face, and then go in with my Tarte foundation. This time I'm using the Clay foundation and shade, I don't know, but I will put that in the description, and use that to mattify my face and hide my blemishes more, really. Alright, going in with my Tarte Creaseless Concealer in light medium, and then I'm going to blend that out and set it with my Ben Nye Banana Powder. Alright, using a flat definer brush, I am going to go in with Faith and Extra Bitter and apply that to my lower lash line. It's kind of like a really pretty burnt orange. I said orange. Alright, for blush, I had to like fix my brow there without touching it. Anyway, for blush, I'm going to go with my Tarte Blush in Sweetheart and apply that to just the apples of my cheeks. It is fall now, so that means summer tans are gone. Not that I really tanned. Actually, this summer I think I did more than the past few summers. I'm not a big person on tanning. It's just not for me. Not a big fan of it. So yeah. I feel like I already have enough color as it is. Anyway, now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Contour and Brightening Powder Palette. And I'm gonna go in with, what am I gonna go in with? Tan. Mixture of tan and toffee to contour. This is how I prefer to get my color, with blush and contour. And then going underneath my jawline just to chisel that out a little bit. Alright. I think I could use a little bit more blush though. Because it's fall and people do look a little bit paler during fall. I'm not about looking pale. So usually a pretty pink blush or a tangerine blush is really good for fall. Alright, enough talking, let's go in with my highlight. I think to kind of stick with the pink of my blush, although I am wearing gold. So let's do a mixture of Hard Candy and Mimosa from the Anastasia Gleam Glow Kit and apply that to the highs of our cheeks. So for my lip, I'm gonna go in with NYX Soft Matte Metallic in Canes. I feel like a metallic lip is really good for fall. It's like the perfect time to wear it during fall and the holidays. Alright guys, that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and today's look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. For a second, I thought I wasn't recording and I was literally about to cry. Because I'm not about to redo this.